it's Angela Bruch here from Angela Bruch Art, and I'm going to do a video today on art journaling. If you have, do you ever get a nice Christmas card? And this is a friend of mine, and we have another friend who took photographs. So this is on a nice piece of cardstock. So I don't want to throw this away, but it has Christmas on it, so I wouldn't want to frame it. So I'm going to put it in my journal. And how you do that is I have this page, and I made this page just by taking layers of magazine from, there's a Downtown Greenville magazine that has nice non-glossy paper, and it has some gold around it and just some other things on there. So I feel like that'll work well with that. So to tie the red, because this is red, what I will do is I'll put red around the border, and that will tie it together. So in order to do that, let me move the camera down. I am going to take my gel medium, regular matte. I like the matte, it's not as shiny. And then I will use my Royal Langnickel 3/4 inch brush, and all I'm going to do is on the back. Oh, okay, there's two pictures, so I like that one better. I think I like the green better. So I will put that over that. Just cover the back with gel medium. And once you have that back covered, I always want to make sure you get your edges real good. Just put it on your page and put it down. You can use a roller, you just put it down. Now, for the top to protect the picture, I'm not going to put gel medium over the top of it. What I'm going to do is, if I have, a paper item, I would, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take clear gesso once this dries, and clear gesso will allow whatever's underneath to come through. So all I'll do is take some clear gesso and coat this is the one I have, just shake it up. Once it dries, I will put the clear gesso over the top, just like I brushed the gel medium on the back. And clear gesso it protects the top while allowing the picture to come through that's underneath. And then I'll still go ahead and take my marker. I'm going to do my red, and I'm going to border this. And I feel like that will tie this all together and make it a little bit Christmassy. And the gold on the page also makes it Christmassy as well. And I will show you what this looks like. Actually, that looks like it came out. It's a red, but it's sort of more of a pinky red. It's not like a super dark red, but there you go. And there is my picture around, and I really like that. So that's a quick way if you have some Christmas cards that you don't want to get rid of, and they make a really nice journal page. Thanks for stopping by.